this is Ayatana from inspiredrise.com, and today we are going to unbox and review the Xiaomi Mijia Quartz Watch. It's a smart watch which looks like an analog watch and is one of the best analog looking digital products that I have used in a long time. So guys, let's begin. So guys, let's talk about the Mijia watch. It has a mineral coated glass which comes with anti-fingerprint and anti-reflective film, and it's one of the hardest glass. When compared to normal sapphire glass, I had almost dropped this watch from this much height 1 or 2 times, and I even scratched it, tried to scratch it, and this is a really sturdy watch and didn't go bad anytime soon. And now let's talk about few other things about the build and design of this watch. It has an IP67 waterproof protection, so you won't be afraid of rainy days or any other outdoor activities. It supports submersion in water up to 30 meters. It has a 1.5-inch round glass screen, and it's a traditional watch with modern features. It has a minimalist design, cobblestone-like shape. There's the curved front glass, and it's a 40mm watch with double dial design. So the first dial is the time dial. So if you look at it closely, it shows you the time. The second dial is the pedometer, which shows you how many steps you have walked in a day. And it's one of those watches which also has Bluetooth on the inside, so you can connect it to your Mijia app with the smartphone, and you can set the time to any time that you wish. And one of the best things about it is that when the time is being set, the hands move automatically, and that's almost magical. You can set up to 10 cities in the smart city function and then choose the time from amongst those. One of the good things about this watch is the fact that you have a whole timeline and history of how many steps you walk every day. It does not have a sleep tracking function or something like a heart rate tracker. It's still one of those traditional watches which has a little bit of smartwatch support. So there are 3 versions available for this watch. The white version with blue strap looks really casual. You can change the strap for changing the feel of this watch. What I did personally was I went to the nearest watchmaker in my locality and got a really nice Titan strap for this watch, and then it really changed the whole look and feel of this watch. So you can also do the same. It supports 20mm straps, so you can go to your nearby watch shop and get the straps changed for this one and change the overall look and feel. The smart functions that this watch supports are automatic timing, pedometer, wall time, alarm clock, interval reminder, and call reminder. I did not use the alarm clock feature because what I found was that the vibration motor on this one is really weak. It's one of the biggest cons that I found about this watch. Otherwise, it's almost perfect for somebody like me. But the vibration motor is weak for things like call reminder, etc. Even in call reminder, you are limited to a list of favorite contacts. You can't set it for all of the contacts that you have. And even then, if you are in a crowded place, the watch seriously does not feel like it's vibrating that much. You need even more vibration in order to feel something. Do you get my point? Out of all the colors, the black looks the most sophisticated and classy. The strap is Italian leather and it's of a breathable material, but I prefer metallic straps, so I changed it. The rubber strap is for sports and leisure, leather is for the formal wear. It has a quick release strap design and it supports a lot of third-party 20mm strap. It comes in a 316L stainless steel case and it's resistant to bumps and scratches. On the inside, it comes with a CR2430 battery, which means that you get a battery life of up to 6 months if you follow their recommended use guidelines. If you are somebody who has call reminders on all of the time, if you're somebody who has the alarm clock functionality on all of the time, maybe you won't get that much battery life. And I think that I would get a better battery life because I'm not using all of those features and only using this watch in order to see the time and to track my steps. It's very easy to set up this watch and turn it on. You just have to hold the right crown for 3 seconds to turn it on. The pointer adjusts to the standard time on the first boot. The price for this one is around 5,000 rupees, which is around $70 or 349 yuans. And I think that for this price, it's one of the best minimalist watch for those people who love a traditional design who love something which reminds them of the retro style but still want some modern watch features like steps tracking, etc. For those people, it's still a great watch. Anybody who sees this watch on a first glance won't even know that it has low energy Bluetooth sensor on the inside, won't even know that it has a battery on the inside, and that it can be connected to a smartwatch application and you can even track your steps from it. It just looks like a normal regular watch. But if you think about all of these features, if you think about the price, which is quite good, and if you think about the fact that whenever you get bored of the look of this watch, you can always change the straps, then that makes for a really compelling purchase. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.